A lot of people are asking for that. Which one you gonna prefer? An audiobook or a physical format of a book? Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this particular video, we're gonna talk about which should we have to choose, an audiobook for a reading purpose or for listening purpose, or a physical format of book. You know what, so before you're gonna jump into this video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. Now let's somehow deep dive in this particular video. You know what, I have got a lot of messages from the different people who just saying that, Vishal, which one you gonna prefer, an audiobook or a physical format of book? Some people they say that I prefer a physical book because we can pause ourselves there and we can analyze all the stuff. Some people say that I can save my time while I'm going through the audiobook and all the stuff. See, the only thing I say, even every time I just talk about this particular thing, that is all about self-awareness, how much self-aware you are. And for that particular purpose, you know what you have to do? Basically, you just have to do try and test. If you are going through like physical format, just go through that again, but still you have to try an audio book format. Like you can go for free audiobook format like Kuku FM, like kind of stuff. There is an application, you can go for that, and you can just try to listen the same book or different book or summary kind of stuff. Or even you can go through the podcast, or even you can go through the you can say YouTube. Like there is a whole you can say not summary, even the whole book on YouTube as well. So just go through that and see we're gonna more comfortable and we're gonna learn a lot more just through a physical format of a book or just through a audiobook, right? If you talk about me, I just have read 20 plus physical format book, and now just due to this COVID-19 situation, I was not able to you can say order the book. That's why I was just going through, you can say, Free Money by Dan Lok, 10x Rule by Grant Cardone. It's all about audiobook, and I'm enjoying both, right? But you know what I personally feel, if you are just literally wanted to go deep dive, then you just have to read. And if you just wanted to learn about all stuff, even while you are going through, you can say that physical format, you are learning as well. But if you're going through the audiobook, still you are learning. But the, you know what, it depends on the person to person, which he or she gonna comfortable on that. And if you talk about me, I'm comfortable on both. If you talk about audiobook, if you talk about physical format of book, and I love both. That's why I can't say that this is the best for me and this is the worst for me. No, it's like I'm too much in podcasting as well, so I just also too much in listening as well. I just listen a lot more. And even if I got time, not even got time in the morning or whenever I have to go to bed, I'll take 5 to 10 minutes and I just read the book. So it's all up to you. And if someone thinking about that, I don't have a time to read, I don't have a time to listen audiobook, just take 5 to 10 minutes of your whole day, either in the morning when you get up or in the night when you just have to sleep. So just take 5 to 10 minutes and just go through all the audiobook and whatever you just wanted to do, and your time management problem for related to reading books gonna solve. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value, and this is the like first video that I have made in t-shirt. But it's not matter actually, and it's all about the value, right? So thank you so much to each and everyone to be here, and as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.